Welcome to Maryam Quran Institute YouTube channel, your gateway to personalized, high-quality online Quran education. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to deepen your knowledge, we offer a range of courses tailored for everyone, including online Quran learning for beginners and advanced programs for those eager to learn. But before we start the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Maryam Quran Institute, and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Now let's start the video. Viewers, at Maryam Quran Institute, we believe in making online learning Quran accessible to everyone, no matter where you are. Our expert Quran tutors are here to guide you, offering online Quran classes for people of all ages, from kids to adults, with a special focus on Quran for kids and the Quran Online Academy. Are you looking for a female Quran teacher? We have dedicated professionals who understand the unique learning needs of every student. With Quran teacher online options, you can study at your own pace, with expert guidance in the comfort of your home. Do you want to learn the Quran with Tajweed? We offer a specialized online Tajweed course to ensure you're reciting the Quran correctly, preserving its beauty and meaning. Our courses include the translation of the Quran, helping you understand the deeper meanings with clarity. Our online Quran learning promo gives you access to a variety of courses, including online Quran Hifz, where you can memorize selected surahs at your own pace. We also offer an online Quran Tarjuma Tafseer course, designed to provide an in-depth understanding of the Quran's interpretation and application. For children and women, our Quran Online Institute for Kids and Women is the perfect place to start. With tailored lessons in Hifz of selected surahs and Quran Tafseer, we ensure that everyone learns at their own pace, gaining a deep connection with the Quran. Whether you're interested in online Quran Hifz or a comprehensive course in Quranic studies, our online Islamic teacher team is here to support you. We bring years of experience and a passion for teaching directly to you through personalized online sessions. Are you ready to start your Quran learning journey? Contact us now to learn more about our programs. Reach out via WhatsApp at 68258314646. Email us at contact@maryamquraninstitute.com. Or visit our website at www.maryamquraninstitute.com. Thank you for watching the Maryam Quran Institute YouTube channel, and we look forward to helping you strengthen your connection with the Quran. Join Maryam Quran Institute today, and embark on your Quran learning journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Catch you in the next video on Maryam Quran Institute YouTube channel. Bye.